believe me. So you say that you know for a fact that these people were instructed by Lieutenant General Kamala and General Lashaba to depose the affidavits in order to discredit you.
No, a similar question was raised, and I said, because I cannot produce any evidence, I may be wrong, but that's how I feel, because these are the only two people who can say I am not this particular.
So you understand the nature of an affidavit?
I do.
Yes. That what you're saying, it must be the truth.
Yes.
Not how you feel. It must be the truth.
That's correct.
You say, I swear that the contents of this affidavit are true and correct and within my personal knowledge, unless the context indicates otherwise. That's what you say in an affidavit.
That's correct. And that's what the context are saying otherwise.
No, you're saying you think so, you feel it.
No, how else can this person who doesn't know me say
you see the difficulty I'm having, Mr. Mogosti, is that you admit up front that you're a professional liar. You say, I'm a professional liar. My job is to lie. You say so. I'm an
idiot. You see, then it means you cannot have a person of like a contact to appear before this kind of platforms.
Well,
because 90 to 40% of the work they do, I'll give you why I'm saying that. Even when there is a robbery, this person will lie to the criminals, like the informant who was killed. He left with 17 people. He was the 17th person. All 16 of them were killed. He came back alive. Only the police knew he was alive. But he was killed after being given 50,000 instead of 1 million. So now, how do you classify that person?
I see Mr. Skosana wants to ask something.
Thank you, Chair. I think the question is very clear to you. Honorable Breytenbach is asking you that when you started here, you said yourself that you are a professional liar. Do you agree?
No, you can't.
But
I said you are empowered with an instrument called the legend building, which allows you in circumstances after getting permission from a handler to create a false life. It's not that I go around here calling myself Tapoli tomorrow.
No, Mr. Mogosti.
I can never say that.
Mr. Mogosti, we can play that.
Under oath, I said this is not an operation, this is a hearing. Therefore, I cannot lie here.
No. You said you are a professional liar.
No, I said in my tongue, I said I'm a professional liar.
Yeah, but
I must have.
Are you not?
No.
Okay.
Chairperson, it means a qualification to be a liar.
Honorable Skosana, I think the witness will remember that Honorable Ntuli asked about majority of the modus operandi of your work, which relies on creating falsehoods. Recall that the evidence leader was referring you to the affidavit at PM1.
Yes.
Where you created a falsehood that you work at the office of the Minister of Police.
Yes.
So that's where the tone and the questioning from Honorable Breytenbach is coming from, which you have agreed here that this is part of the work. It's lied deliberately so
but
to create a particular image of yourself, so that the subjects of your investigation quickly believe you and have a trust on you.
Now, coin me when I'm saying in this committee, I'm a professional.
No, I'm saying you said part of what is your work is to create a falsehood, to lay in your subject of your investigation, so as to ensure that they have trust in you, they give information.
No, Chair, the way they're saying it means even if I go to church, that time I'm a liar, I'm going to church as a professional.